Have you ever imagined walking into your backyard and seeing a tree covered with breathtaking flowers, transforming an ordinary landscape into a magical garden? Every spring, millions of people around the world wait for one of nature's most beautiful shows, flowering trees bursting into color. These incredible trees don't just provide shade. They create unforgettable landscapes, increase the beauty of your property, and bring a feeling of peace and connection with nature. Today, we're going to discover 10 flowering trees that are so beautiful you'll instantly fall in love with them. From delicate white blossoms to vibrant pink, purple, yellow, and red flowers, these trees prove that nature can create living works of art right in your own backyard. So stay until the end, because the number one tree on this list is one of the most spectacular flowering trees on Earth. Before we begin, if you love beautiful gardens, amazing plants, and inspiring landscapes, make sure to subscribe to Plant Realm and turn on notifications so you never miss our next videos. And if you enjoy this journey through the world of flowering trees, leave a like and share this video with someone who loves nature. Now let's discover the 10 flowering trees you'll fall in love with. Number 10. Flowering dogwood. Starting our list at number 10. We have the beautiful flowering dogwood. Native to the eastern United States, this small ornamental tree has become one of the most beloved flowering trees in American landscapes. When spring arrives, the flowering dogwood transforms completely. Its branches become covered with stunning white or pink blossoms that appear like delicate flowers floating throughout the tree. What makes this tree even more special is its elegant shape. With its naturally layered branches and attractive appearance throughout the seasons, it adds beauty to gardens even after the flowers disappear. During summer, the tree produces green foliage that creates a peaceful shade area. Then in autumn, the leaves change into beautiful shades of red and purple, creating another spectacular display. The flowering dogwood is also loved because it doesn't require a huge amount of space, making it a perfect choice for smaller yards, gardens, and residential landscapes. Many homeowners plant this tree near patios, walkways, or entrances because its flowers create a welcoming and charming atmosphere. Another fascinating detail is that its bright red fruits provide food for many bird species, making it a great choice for people who want to attract wildlife into their gardens. The flowering dogwood proves that a tree doesn't need to be enormous to make a powerful impact. With its beautiful flowers, seasonal colors, and elegant structure, it deserves its place among the most admired flowering trees in North America. But the flowering dogwood is just the beginning. Our next tree creates a completely different kind of spring spectacle, with flowers that appear before its leaves and cover the branches with vibrant colors. Coming in at number 9, we have the Eastern Redbud. Number 9, Eastern Redbud. Coming in at number 9. We have one of the most charming signs of spring in North America, the Eastern Redbud. Native to eastern and central regions of the United States, this small ornamental tree is famous for its incredible ability to produce flowers before its leaves even appear. As winter fades away and the first signs of spring arrive, the branches of the Eastern Redbud suddenly become covered with clusters of bright pink and purple flowers. This creates a breathtaking moment when the entire tree looks like it has been painted with vibrant colors. One of the most fascinating things about the Eastern Redbud is the way it blooms. Instead of only flowering at the tips of its branches, the blossoms grow directly along the branches and even on the trunk, creating a unique and unforgettable appearance. After flowering, heart-shaped green leaves begin to emerge, adding another layer of beauty to this amazing tree. During autumn, those leaves transform into beautiful shades of yellow, creating a completely different seasonal display. The Eastern Redbud is especially popular among homeowners because it fits perfectly into smaller landscapes. It usually reaches a moderate size, making it ideal for front yards, garden borders, and outdoor spaces where a large tree would not be practical. Besides its beauty, this tree also plays an important role in nature. Its flowers provide an early source of nectar for bees and other pollinators when few other plants are blooming. For anyone looking to add color, personality, and seasonal interest to their garden, the Eastern Redbud is a wonderful choice. It is a reminder that some of nature's greatest surprises appear right after the coldest days of the year. The Eastern Redbud shows us how powerful a tree can be even before its leaves appear. But our next tree is famous around the world for a breathtaking spring event that attracts millions of visitors every year. Number 8. A Japanese cherry blossom. Coming in at number 8, we have one of the most iconic flowering trees in the world, the Japanese cherry blossom. Known for its breathtaking beauty and unforgettable spring display, this tree has become a symbol of renewal, elegance, and the incredible power of nature. Originally from Japan, Japanese cherry blossom trees are now admired and planted in many countries, including the United States, where they create spectacular landscapes every spring. When the blooming season arrives, thousands of delicate flowers cover the branches, creating a beautiful cloud of pink or white blossoms. For a short period of time, the entire tree looks almost unreal, as if it came straight from a painting. One of the reasons people love this tree so much is because its flowers create a magical atmosphere. Parks, streets, and gardens become transformed into colorful landscapes that attract visitors from all over the world. In the United States, cities like Washington, D.C. became famous for their cherry blossom displays, where people gather every year to experience this incredible natural event. Besides its flowers, the Japanese cherry blossom also offers beautiful seasonal changes. After blooming, fresh green leaves appear, followed by attractive autumn colors before the tree enters its winter rest. Although its flowering period is relatively short, that moment of beauty makes it one of the most desired ornamental trees for landscapes. Homeowners often plant Japanese cherry blossoms near pathways, entrances, and garden spaces where the flowers can become the main attraction. This tree teaches us something special about nature. Sometimes the most unforgettable moments are the ones that don't last forever. With its elegant branches and stunning spring flowers, the Japanese cherry blossom continues to capture hearts around the world. The Japanese cherry blossom proves that a single tree can transform an entire landscape into a breathtaking scene. But our next tree brings beauty not only through its flowers, but also through its impressive size, evergreen leaves, and unforgettable fragrance. Number 7, Southern Magnolia. Coming in at number 7, we have one of the most majestic flowering trees in the United States, the Southern Magnolia. Native to the southeastern regions of North America, this incredible evergreen tree has been admired for generations because of its beauty, strength, and timeless appearance. Unlike many flowering trees that only look impressive during spring, the Southern Magnolia creates beauty throughout the entire year. Its large, glossy green leaves remain on the tree through every season, providing a rich and elegant background for its spectacular flowers. When summer arrives, the tree produces enormous white blossoms that can reach up to 12 inches across. These flowers are not only beautiful, but they also release a sweet and refreshing fragrance that can fill the surrounding area. The combination of giant white flowers, dark green leaves, and a powerful structure gives the Southern Magnolia a luxurious appearance, making it a favorite choice for traditional and high-end landscapes. For centuries, this tree has been planted around historic homes, gardens, and large properties because it represents elegance and southern charm. Beyond its beauty, the Southern Magnolia also provides valuable benefits. Its dense foliage offers shade, privacy, and shelter for birds and other wildlife. Although it can grow into a large tree, many homeowners consider it worth the space because of the incredible presence it brings to a landscape. A mature Southern Magnolia is more than just a tree. It becomes a living landmark that can define the character of an entire property. With its massive flowers, evergreen leaves, and unforgettable fragrance, the Southern Magnolia truly deserves its place among the world's most beautiful flowering trees. The Southern Magnolia shows us that a tree can be beautiful in every season, not just when it is covered in flowers. But our next tree is famous for something different, an explosion of colors that can last for months during the hottest days of the year. Number 6, Crepe Myrtle. At number 6, we discover a tree that transforms the hottest months of the year into a spectacular celebration of color. The crepe myrtle. Known as one of the longest blooming flowering trees, the crepe myrtle has become a favorite choice for gardens, streets, and landscapes across the southern United States. While many flowering trees only bloom for a short period, this incredible tree can produce flowers throughout the summer, sometimes lasting for several months. Its delicate clusters of flowers appear in beautiful shades of pink, purple, red, and white, creating a stunning display when many other plants have already finished blooming. But the beauty of the crepe myrtle goes beyond its flowers. Its smooth, peeling bark creates an attractive appearance even during the colder months, giving the tree a unique texture that stands out in any landscape. Another reason gardeners love this tree is its versatility. There are many different varieties available, from smaller forms perfect for residential gardens to larger trees that create impressive focal points. Because of its manageable size and incredible flowering performance, the crepe myrtle is often planted along driveways, walkways, and near homes where its colorful blooms can be fully appreciated. This tree also attracts butterflies and pollinators, adding even more life and movement to outdoor spaces. For homeowners looking for a tree that combines beauty, resilience, and months of colorful flowers, the crepe myrtle is a truly remarkable choice. It is a perfect example of how a single tree can completely transform a landscape and create a breathtaking summer garden. Before we continue with the next beautiful flowering tree, I want to know something from you. Which tree from our list has impressed you the most so far? Leave your answer in the comments below. I would love to know which flowering tree you would choose for your own backyard. And if you're enjoying this journey through some of the most beautiful trees on Earth, don't forget to give this video a like. Your support helps Plant Realm continue creating more videos about incredible plants, gardens, and landscapes. Now, let's discover the next tree on our list. Number 5, Saucer Magnolia. Few flowering trees can create a spring spectacle as dramatic as the Saucer Magnolia. Known for its enormous cup-shaped flowers, this tree has become one of the most admired ornamental trees in gardens around the world. Before the leaves even appear, the branches of the Saucer Magnolia become covered with large blossoms in shades of white, pink, and purple. The flowers look almost like beautiful porcelain cups placed throughout the tree, creating a breathtaking scene after the cold winter months. One of the most fascinating characteristics of this tree is its timing. It is one of the first trees to announce the arrival of spring, bringing color and life to landscapes when many gardens are still waking up from winter. Originally developed from a cross between two different magnolia species, the Saucer Magnolia combines beauty, elegance, and a unique flowering display. Because of its moderate size, it works wonderfully in residential landscapes. Many homeowners plant it as a centerpiece in front yards, near patios, or along garden pathways where its flowers can become the main attraction. Although the flowers are delicate, the tree itself is quite strong and can live for many years when planted in the right conditions. The saucer magnolia represents one of nature's most beautiful moments, the transition from a quiet winter landscape into a colorful spring garden. With its giant flowers and unforgettable appearance, this tree continues to capture the imagination of gardeners everywhere. So far, we have seen trees with flowers in shades of white, pink, and purple. But our next tree brings something completely different. A golden waterfall of flowers that looks almost unreal when it reaches full bloom. Standing out as one of the most unique flowering trees on our list, this is the golden chain tree. Number 4, golden chain tree. Standing out as one of the most unusual flowering trees in the world, the golden chain tree creates a display that looks almost like golden rain falling from the branches. Native to parts of Europe, this ornamental tree is admired for its long, hanging clusters of bright yellow flowers that appear during late spring. When the tree reaches full bloom, hundreds of golden flower chains cover the branches, creating a spectacular visual effect that can transform any garden into a magical landscape. Unlike many flowering trees that produce flowers around the outside of the canopy, the golden chain tree creates a unique vertical display, with blossoms hanging gracefully toward the ground. This elegant appearance makes it a favorite choice for gardeners who want something truly different and memorable in their landscape. The tree usually grows to a medium size, making it suitable for gardens where space is limited. It works beautifully near pathways, entrances, and areas where its golden flowers can be admired up close. Beyond its flowers, the golden chain tree also has an attractive structure with smooth branches and a graceful form that adds character to the garden throughout the year. However, gardeners should know that all parts of this tree are toxic if consumed, so it should be planted carefully in areas where children or pets may have access. When grown in the right location, the golden chain tree becomes a breathtaking centerpiece, a living sculpture covered with golden blossoms. Its rare beauty and unforgettable flowering display make it a tree that many gardeners dream of having. The golden chain tree shows us that flowers don't always need bright colors like red or pink to create a breathtaking scene. Now we move to a tree famous for one of the most unforgettable colors found in nature, a stunning purple bloom that covers entire streets and gardens. Get ready to discover the incredible jacaranda tree. Number 3, jacaranda tree. When it comes to unforgettable colors, few trees can compete with the breathtaking beauty of the jacaranda tree. Famous for its incredible purple blossoms, this tree creates one of the most spectacular floral displays found in warm climates around the world. Originally from South America, the jacaranda has become a beloved ornamental tree in many regions, especially in places with mild winters and long growing seasons. When the blooming season arrives, the tree is covered with thousands of trumpet-shaped purple flowers that transform streets, parks, and gardens into incredible purple landscapes. For a short period, the fallen flowers create a beautiful carpet of color beneath the tree, making the entire environment feel like a scene from a dream. One of the most impressive features of the jacaranda is its large, spreading canopy. Its delicate fern-like leaves create a soft and elegant appearance, providing light shade while adding a tropical feeling to outdoor spaces. In places like California, Florida, and other warm regions, jacaranda trees are highly valued for their ability to create unforgettable scenery. Many people plant them along streets, near homes, and in large gardens where their spectacular flowers can be fully appreciated. Beyond its visual beauty, the jacaranda represents creativity, elegance, and the incredible diversity of the plant world. However, because it can grow quite large, this tree needs enough space to develop properly and show its full potential. A mature jacaranda is not just a tree, it becomes a landmark, a living piece of art that captures attention whenever it blooms. With its incredible purple flowers and graceful shape, the jacaranda truly deserves its place among the most beautiful flowering trees on Earth. The jacaranda tree proves that nature can create colors so extraordinary that they almost seem impossible. But our next tree brings a different kind of beauty, elegant flowers, incredible fragrance, and a refined appearance that makes it perfect for sophisticated landscapes. Only 2 trees remain on our list. Next, we discover the beautiful Japanese tree lilac. Number 2, Japanese tree lilac. Elegant, fragrant, and surprisingly resilient, the Japanese tree lilac brings a touch of sophistication to any landscape. Unlike many lilac varieties that grow as shrubs, this unique species develops into a small tree, creating a beautiful vertical structure covered with impressive flowers. Native to Japan, this tree is admired for its large clusters of creamy white blossoms that appear during late spring and early summer. When it reaches full bloom, the Japanese tree lilac fills the surrounding area with a sweet and pleasant fragrance, attracting both people and pollinators. Its flowers grow in large cone-shaped clusters, creating a stunning contrast against its dark green leaves and graceful branches. One of the reasons gardeners love this tree is its combination of beauty and durability. It can tolerate urban environments better than many flowering trees, making it a popular choice for streets, parks, and residential landscapes. The Japanese tree lilac also offers year-round interest. Even after the flowers disappear, its attractive shape and textured bark continue adding character to gardens. Because of its moderate size, it works beautifully in front yards, near entrances, or as a focal point in carefully designed landscapes. This tree represents a perfect balance between elegance and practicality, offering spectacular flowers without requiring excessive maintenance. For anyone searching for a flowering tree that looks refined, smells wonderful, and performs well in different environments, the Japanese tree lilac is an outstanding choice. Its beauty may be subtle compared to some more colorful trees, but its charm and elegance make it unforgettable. We have reached the final tree on our list. Throughout this journey, we have discovered trees with white blossoms, pink flowers, purple landscapes, and golden cascades. But the last tree is something truly extraordinary, a masterpiece of nature known for one of the most spectacular floral displays on Earth. Before revealing our number one choice, tell us in the comments, which flowering tree from this list would you love to have in your own garden? And if you are enjoying this journey through the world of beautiful plants, make sure to like this video and share it with someone who loves incredible landscapes. Now, let's reveal the most spectacular flowering tree on our list. Number 1, Royal Poinsettia. And now, we reach the final tree on our list, a true masterpiece of nature and one of the most spectacular flowering trees on Earth. The Royal Poinsettia, also known as the flame tree, is famous for its explosive display of bright red and orange flowers that can completely transform a landscape. Originally from Madagascar, this magnificent tree has become a symbol of tropical beauty in many warm regions around the world. When the blooming season begins, the wide branches of the Royal Poinsettia become covered with thousands of vibrant flowers, creating the appearance of a giant natural fire spreading through the canopy. Few trees can match the visual impact of this incredible species. Its large umbrella-shaped crown creates a dramatic silhouette, while its delicate fern-like leaves add an elegant and tropical touch to gardens, streets, and parks. During peak flowering, the contrast between the intense red blossoms and the green foliage creates a scene that looks almost unreal. Because of its beauty, the Royal Poinsettia has become a favorite choice for tropical landscapes, resorts, and large gardens where it has enough space to grow and show its full potential. Beyond its flowers, this tree provides generous shade and creates a peaceful environment beneath its impressive canopy. However, its large size and spreading roots mean it needs plenty of space, making it better suited for larger properties and open areas. A mature Royal Poinsettia is more than just a tree. It becomes a living landmark that captures attention and creates unforgettable memories. With its breathtaking colors, elegant shape, and extraordinary flowering display, the Royal Poinsettia truly deserves the number 1 spot on our list of flowering trees you'll fall in love with. These 10 flowering trees show us just how incredible nature can be. From the delicate blossoms of the flowering dogwood to the unforgettable flames of the Royal Poinsettia, each tree has its own personality, beauty, and special way of transforming a landscape. A beautiful flowering tree is not just decoration. It creates memories, attracts wildlife, changes the atmosphere of a garden, and brings a deeper connection with nature. Now it's your turn. Which one of these amazing flowering trees was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. We would love to know which tree you would choose for your dream garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Plant Realm, and share this video with someone who loves beautiful gardens and incredible plants. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey through the amazing world of plants.